these guys right here. Currently on the Miata, I just have these 4 bolts holding the bumper in place, and I have no support on the outside. So the goal is to install our quick latch on each side. So the quick latch consists of this threaded rod with a ball end, the release, 2 washers, and 2 nuts. We're going to install it using this factory hole. This was the clip that held the bumper in place previously. You want to install the washer round side against the frame, and that'll prevent the washer from actually cutting into the paint. Right now we're just test fitting, so I'm not going to make anything wrench tight, just hand tight. So we put the bumper back on, we'll locate that little ball, and we'll use that, just pressing in, crack the paint, and that'll show us where we need to make our hole. So it might be hard to see, but that's our mark. That's where we're going to want to make the hole. The hole needs to be big enough for this. To fit through, we want to put this on the through the front. So I'm going to use a step bit. Just go fairly slow. It's plastic. It's gonna, if you go too fast, it'll go hot and melt. Now with the step bit, you want to end up going from both sides. The reason you want to go from both sides is because it's a conical shape. If you just go from one side, the hole is bigger on one side when compared to the back side. Just tighten it up. Test fit it to the car. So I went ahead and did the other side. And I tested it. That's it.